Hello again. What makes sales is an idea. Uber was an idea. Facebook was an idea. Amazon and shipping and many things was just an idea. So we're going to talk about the psychology of selling and risk management. As if, This is very good if you have a store or any product or any place you're selling something in there. As a risk manager, what should you think about? First, have you ever noticed every company has a certain color and brand? So we call branding. So your colors reflect your brand, your identity. And if you studied colors, you can search in Google and see the effect of colors on psychology. For example, the color white refers to peace, black maybe referred to classic. So your job as a risk manager, if you're going to open a restaurant, you notice that most of restaurants use colors like orange, yellow, red, because these colors encourage the customer to be hungry and to take quick action without thinking. If you know this now, maybe you know how to control yourself. But if you don't know this information that we are saying now, subconsciously you take actions without thinking about them. So number one, think about the design of your location that you're going to sell something to your customer. The design is very important. Number two, the music in the place. If you're going to sell cars, for example, BMW cars, and the customer is a very rich one, and he wants to listen to a certain music. This music affects on his feelings. If you turn on different music he doesn't like, he may go away or just ask a question and go away. The psychology of the person who is buying from you is very important and needs to be taken into consideration. Another thing, the clothes. People work in selling buildings, for example. You notice how well they dressed, the suit, the tie, the good-looking man and women, and especially women, maybe working a lot in sales because of many things: voice, face, personality, charisma. Many things affect the customer's behavior. And women tend to have more empathy toward dealing with people. And that's why you might see customer service, maybe more women working into this field and also teaching. You notice that many women work in the field of teaching. So we talked about design of the location. We talked about psychology of the customer who wants to buy from you. Music affect him. Smell affect the person, especially if you're going to buy clothes. Okay, your clothes shop. The smell, the touch of the clothes on the hands affect someone who wants to take action. So you need to select your customers and put into consideration as a risk manager these things. So as a risk manager, you need to think about not only the price, the pricing of the product, and how it will affect the sales, but people might buy more if they really like this product, if it's connect or resonates with them by smell, by touch of the product. If you give someone something and he hold it in his hand, he will like say, oh, this is mine now. And this is also another sales strategy. If you want to sell something to someone, you think he likes it, but maybe hesitant or she hesitant, don't want to take action, put it into her hand, let her feel that this belonged to her. She might take the actions right away if she has the money. So sales is a skill and knowledge. If you don't know this, how can you make a sale? So we talked about location, design of the location, the music, the smell of the location, the clothes you're wearing. If you are sell local items, very cheap, then if you wear like a suit or something and someone get into your shop and does not wear a suit, he does not feel like he's belonging. Some people walk by the barber shop and they say it's very, very, very nice, they might not get into that shop if they don't have money, because they think this shop is very, very expensive, and they will be embarrassed by asking, or, like, if they don't have $50 or $20 to buy the product, or to have their haircut there, for example, they might be embarrassed to ask for the price. So all these factors affect in your selling. Well, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this is very useful to you. Have a good day.